Okay, we talked about notes up the fret, but today we're going to take a look at playing scales up each string. Okay, so we know that the first string natural notes are E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Now that's not necessarily a scale. Not the kind of scales that you start off by learning. You know, the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, te, do. The ones that sound like this. Okay. To play those notes, you'd have to use a different fingering. So what I'm going to show you now is just a fingering that you can use on all strings that will actually make a do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, and then you can practice these playing scales up each string. Okay, so our first scale is on the first string, and it'll be an E major scale. So that means you'll have 4 sharps. So yeah, so your F's, your G's, your C's, and your D's will be sharp. Okay, that's a lot of theory. We'll learn that later. What I'd like you to focus on right now is the fingering. Okay, earlier in other videos we showed you how we break up the guitar into different sections. Well, that's what we're going to be doing right now. You're going to be learning a scale pattern that you can, or a fingering that you can use on each string. And it's going to go like this. Basically, you can play your E open, and then your next note will be F sharp, which you can play with your first finger at the 2nd fret. Your next note is going to be G sharp, which you can play with your 3rd finger at the 4th fret. And then you're going to play A with your 4th finger, which will be at the 1st string 5th fret. So you'll be going E, F sharp, G sharp, and then A. And notice all the fingers are down at this point. Your 1st finger helps you find your 3rd finger. Your 3rd finger helps you find your 4th finger. Okay. Your left hand fingers are always guiding each other. So you have E, F sharp, G sharp, and then A. Now your next 2 notes, you're going to have to slide down into 7th position. Your 1st finger is going to play B on the 7th fret. Your 3rd finger is going to play the C sharp on the 9th fret. So we'll be going B, and then C sharp, B, C sharp, 7, then 9. So the scale will be going E open, F sharp with your 1st, G sharp with your 3rd finger, and then A with your pinky, and then you slide down to the 7th fret with your 1st finger B, and then your 3rd finger is going to play that 9th fret. There's your C sharp. And notice you got all 3 fingers down at this point. So it goes E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, and then C sharp. Okay, so we'll try it again. We haven't finished the scale yet, but we'll just try the first few notes. Look at those positions. So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Okay, so we haven't really completed the full scale. To go down to the last 2 notes that you need to complete the scale, you're going to have to go to the 11th fret on the 1st string, which is a D sharp, and then the 12th fret on the 1st string with your middle finger, which is your E. So you've got 3 different hand positions here. All of them are sort of guided by where the 1st finger is. So in the first part of the scale, you're in what's called 2nd position. So you're playing E, F sharp, G sharp, and A. So you're sort of all in the 2nd position because that 1st finger is anchored on the 2nd fret. Then you switch down to 7th position, where you've got that 1st finger sort of on the 7th fret, and then 3rd finger goes to the 9th. Then you slide the hand down, so the 1st finger goes down to that 11th fret, and then you play the 12th fret with your middle finger. So 1, So pay special attention to the fingerings. It starts off with the open, and then 1, 3, 4, then down to the 7th fret, 1, and then 3rd finger, 1, then 3, 7 to 9. Then your first finger goes to the 11th, and then your middle finger to the 12th. So you got E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. So open, 1, 3, 4 are the fingers. 1, 3, then 1, 2. So playing each note 4 times. There's your E, F sharp, G sharp, then A, there's your B, C sharp, D sharp, then E. Okay, so again with the fingerings, it's first string open, 2nd fret, 1st finger, 4th fret, 3rd finger, 5th fret, 4th finger, 7th fret, 1st finger, 9th fret, 3rd finger, then 11th fret, 1st finger, then 12th fret, 2nd finger. Okay? Now, really practice the scale a lot, really slow, until you get comfortable with the shifts. And always pay special attention to playing with the tips of your fingers and having curled joints. And then when you get comfortable doing it down, try to do it backwards. And you notice your first finger is always guiding you where to go. 2nd fret, 7th fret, 11th fret. Okay? It'll always help you where to go. Now, the thing is, once you memorize these fingerings, they're transferable to other strings. Okay? So if you do it on the first, if you play this fingering on the 1st string, it's an E major scale. If you do the exact same thing on the 2nd string, it's a B major scale. Okay? So you got B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, and that's basically the same finger as you used on the 1st string. So even if you don't know the notes right away, start to practice the fingering. On the 2nd string, so you have open, 2nd fret, 3rd fret with your 3rd finger, 5th fret with your pinky, then 7th fret with your 1st finger, 9th fret with your 3rd finger, and then 11th fret with your 1st finger, and then 12th fret with your middle. Okay, so that would be a B major scale. On the 3rd string, it's a G major scale. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Okay? On the 4th string, it would be a D major scale. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. So 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2. So open, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 9th fret, 11th fret, 12th fret. On the 5th string it would be an A major scale. So you'd have A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, then A. So again, 5th string open, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 9th fret, 11, and then 12. Okay, and then on the 6th string, it would be an E major scale again. Same as the 1st string, but it's just 2 octaves lower. E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. So, open, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, 7, 9, 11, 12. Again, fingers, no fingers. 1st finger, 3rd finger, 4th finger, 1st finger, 3rd finger, 1st finger, and then 2nd. And those are major scales going up each string. Again, practice them like crazy.